Chilling, buddy. What's up? You gotta let go of it so I can kick it. No? I thought way over there. Alright, so I got my millings delivered. This is only 2 loads. I was supposed to get 5, but they can only do 2 for right now. So I think the plan is to strip some of this grass and sand off the top over here. And I definitely want to put the millings coming in and out of these 2 garage door bays. I'll probably leave the spot in the middle by the tree with grass for now, and then just kind of bring it out here. And I kind of want to cover all this. You can see where the grass is dying because I keep driving on it. So basically out here and then up to meet the driveway right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the skid steer warmed up and fueled up, and we'll get to work on this. This tank here is pretty nice. I didn't know how it would work when I first got it, but it's turned out to be pretty handy. It holds like 58 gallons, and you just basically hook it up like you would a regular gas pump, and it'll even click off when it's full. The only thing I don't like about it is you always need some sort of like 12-volt power, which is fine normally because the machine you're fueling normally has a battery. This one's harder to get to, and it's got covers and stuff on it, so I just run it over here to the tractor. Yeah, see, it clicked off, so it's full. This is way easier than holding up like a diesel can and trying to, because you can't get it underneath this arm here, so you have to end up raising the arms up and everything else. This is just way better. I think that's pretty good. I got a lot of the sand and grass and stuff out of there. And the reasoning behind that was I don't think that stuff is going to compress very good. So this should hopefully compact a little bit, and then once I put the millings down, it should really harden up. So I was going to go further, like out here, but I don't think I have enough millings as it is. I mean, that's all I've got right there. And I think the pile of topsoil I took off is a lot bigger than the millings. So, but that's fine. My driveway ends right there. I'm going to continue it around and then try to fill in this area as best I can, and we'll go from there. Thinking maybe I should compact this down. I don't have like a steamroller or anything, but that Genie lift over there weighs like 22,000 pounds. That's like the heaviest thing I have, and I bet it would smash this down. Let's try to compact this down with this Genie lift. It's going to be a Genie steamroller today. We'll see how it goes. Working okay. Better than nothing. So it you can definitely see the ground squishing down when it runs over it. It's definitely compacting it. So I'll do over here, and then we'll start spreading some millings. All right, that's as compact as it's gonna get. I couldn't get all the way up to the garage doors there because there's a bit of a hill here, and that Genie lift is not like going up hills. I bought this thing a while back, and I think I'm going to give it a shot with these asphalt millings. It's called a land plane, and I mean, you can spread them with the bucket. I've done that before, but I just wanted to see if this would make it any easier. It's got these teeth that kind of flip up and down, so you can kind of loosen up the old millings if they're already compacted. And then it's got these, basically these blades that there's two of them, one there and one here, and they basically work to smooth out the material without, you don't have it all collecting in the bucket like you do when you use a bucket. So let's give this thing a shot. I was going to try to hook up the hydraulics, which basically just flip the teeth up and down, but they don't give you the quick connects. They just give you, like, you know, whatever fittings those are. So I can't hook them in there, and I'm not going to use the teeth anyways, I don't think. So I just chained them up out of the way. That should be fine for now. Like it's working pretty good. You basically just drag it back and forth and it fills in all the holes and everything. I'm playing with it to see if it's better to go forward, backward, and kind of where you should position it, but it seems to be doing what it's supposed to. All right, well, that's all done. Got everything smoothed out. So the driveway used to stop right there, and I've got it continuing around the corner and down here to this little parking area. And I wanted to go bigger with it, but I only got 2 of the 5 loads of millings that I ordered. So this will just be it for now. Could definitely use another load or 2 in here to top it off and fill it in a little bit. But for now, this I think this is going to be nice. Before I was sitting out here in the sand, and everything kept getting torn up with the machines and stuff. So this should compact down and be a much nicer area here. Also, this land plane worked pretty good. It seemed like it worked better in reverse if I just kind of floated the bucket and drug it, but it definitely, like, it's much easier than the bucket for filling in like small holes and stuff like that. But I mean, you're not going to move stuff around that much. I mean, I used the bucket to pretty much get it where it needed to go, and then I used the land plane to fill in all the holes and smooth it out. So, but yeah, I didn't think it was going to work that well, but it almost made it too easy smoothing that stuff out. turn around and got stuck. So I wanted to back into the pile. So I guess I gotta go get the skid steer and pull myself out. Alright, I got this pile all cleaned up. I'm going to leave that pile over there because I think I'm going to need some fill after we put up that carport, but all cleaned up. The dump trailer didn't work as well as I thought. And the main problem was I just kept getting stuck because it's so heavy. So I don't know what the better way to do that would have been. It seemed like a long way to walk, or a long way to go with the skid steer back and forth. I felt like I'd be doing it all day, and then turns out I was doing it all day anyways, with between getting the trailer unstuck and all that. So, and then over here I made this into like a little, kind of like a berm. I decided not to make it a big pile, but more of a berm, make it a little nicer to look at. But I'm sure I'll be using it for something before long. But it looks decent for now. And you with the ball, always in the way with the ball. Yeah, you. Always in the way. Where are you at? Come on, bring it over here. Come on. Where you off? Yeah, come on. Yeah, you're good at soccer, aren't you? Yeah. That's a soccer dog. Football dog. Just because you're German, right? You're German, so you say football. Yes. Rawr.